No need to care how many meters wide the diameter is. With master-level skill, the worker felled the 100-year-old giant tree. Never doubt her just because she is a woman, or think she cannot do men's work. With a woman like Vanessa, her careful calculation makes even men respect her. Always put your own safety first, and never take your life lightly, especially in a risky work environment. The 200-year-old mahogany tree was finally brought down. The man's skill is truly beyond criticism. From the branches, each part of the trunk is handled and lowered to the ground. Dina's heavy truck really impresses us with its appearance. But the most noticeable thing is at the back. It is very big, very long, and always secured with chains on its back. And you can rest assured it is being handled by a man with decades of experience. The VTS-01 grapple bucket is ready to lift up the deeply rooted root system. The man finishes a very clean cut on a tree trunk with a diameter of 45 centimeters. Each movement is steady, decisive, and well-timed, helping the tree be handled successfully. This is a moment that clearly shows experience, calmness, and very admirable skill. Have you ever seen a Barretto stump grinder 30SG work so neatly and powerfully like this? Equipped with a Briggs & Stratton Vanguard V-twin 31 horsepower engine, this machine steps into the job with stability and full power. The track drive crawler system helps the machine grip the ground better, move flexibly on difficult terrain, and keep the body balanced while grinding the stump. The valuable point is the control panel built into the handle, which is very easy to operate, helping the operator control the lifting, lowering, and side-sweeping movements precisely. Combined with a large diameter cutting wheel, the Barretto 30SG shows high performance, smooth operation, and strong reliability. Although the log is heavy and strong enough to be used as a bridge, it still has to bear the weight of a monster carrying tons of timber from the old forest. Unfortunately, it could not make it across the bridge. It is not easy to rescue a huge truck stuck in its own cargo. The LKT-81 Turbo with 110 horsepower easily handles the job of pulling timber in the fastest time. Although it is not a tracked machine, it is still popular because of its versatility when running on different terrains. Leave a like on this video if you think it is extremely durable.
On frozen highways and blinding snowfields. Massive flatbed trucks haul tightly wrapped superloads in long multi-axle formations. Skilled drivers show pure skill and precision. Maintaining balance through icy curves and brutal crosswinds. An engine's roar, wheels fight for grip. Loads remain secured under pressure. Across frozen rivers, broken ice, and snow-covered roads. Massive trucks haul oversized containers and heavy cargo in multi-axle formations. Skilled drivers show pure skill and precision. Carefully steering, winching, and balancing loads through unstable terrain. Wheels spin, chains bite. Cranes assist recovery as machines push forward under extreme pressure. Giant structures, brutal conditions, constant control required. The multi-axle Tatra truck powers through snow-covered terrain. Its drivetrain distributing torque across all wheels as tires bite into frozen ground. The engine growls, exhaust steaming in cold air, while suspension flexes over uneven surfaces. Mechanical systems operate with pure skill and precision, maintaining traction and stability under load. True powerhouse at work. On a frozen roadside, a heavy truck sinks into slush as unstable ice begins to break beneath its weight. wheels lose traction. The chassis tilts, and the vehicle slides sideways toward deeper water. Recovery comes just in time as another truck pulls it free. Across muddy forest tracks and shallow rivers, massive logging trucks haul tightly stacked timber in towering multi-layer loads. Skilled drivers show pure skill and precision, navigating deep ruts. Water crossings and unstable ground. Wheels churn mud, suspension flexes. Cranes secure logs firmly. Giant cargo, extreme weight. Constant control required. Awe-inspiring steel monster. On narrow city roads and tight intersections, massive modular trailers transport gigantic industrial transformers in multi-axle formations, stretching endlessly. Skilled drivers and crews show pure skill and precision, coordinating steering, braking, and synchronized movement. Escort teams guide every turn. Wheels align perfectly. Weight distributed across dozens of axles. Giant cargo. Extreme engineering. Flawless execution. The oversized LNG storage tank moves through the city at night on a specialized multi-axle trailer. Built to spread enormous weight and protect the road surface. This steel giant carries a vacuum-insulated vessel designed to hold liquefied natural gas at around -162 degrees Celsius. It turns, creeps, aligns, and advances under escort guidance. The oversized convoy hauls a massive industrial cylindrical reactor across highways, using multi-axle modular trailers stretching dozens of meters long. Expert drivers and escort crews coordinate every movement, guiding turns, stopping traffic. And ensuring safe clearance through tight intersections. This steel monster rolls slowly,